Hello, this is Eric. In this video, I'm going to display how the CCA4 and CCA3 work. Here is for putting the paper, and there is two columns to touch the paper to keep it go straight into the machine, and the paper needs to be aligned on this plate. So align to the right hand side and put two of these to keep it go into the machine straight. So on the machine, it has three settings, 1, 2, 3. So I have made a drawing. This is the paper review card. This number 10 means 10 millimeters. Means this distance, the first card, it go into the machine in this direction. So when it come to the blade, the first card is 10 millimeter. That's the first number here. And this 54 means the height of the car. Okay, so if you want to make it 50, then you set the number 2 set to 50. Then it will cut the car on its height to 50. Or you set it 16, 18, no problem. Just set the number 2 value, okay? And this number 3 is set to 3 millimeter. So it cut the car one by one, and this car, there is a gap between this car, the first car, and the second car. There is first car, second car. There is a gap between them. So the gap is 3 millimeters. Okay, so that's the number 3 here. Okay, then let me put it into the machine. And let's go back, get back to the machine on the back for the vertical blade. That for the car width. Okay, just loosen the screw, then you can move it left and right. Okay. And then fasten the screws. For saving time, I will not adjust that blade. It is the same way to adjust it. Okay, put it back, and then just press this test button. Test. Okay, so the car is about 10 millimeter. That's for the blade, okay? And the height is about, it's hard to see from the phone, but it's about 54. That 54 is this number, okay? So that's how to set the width and the height for the machine. The width is the blade on the blades on the back. The height is the number 2 on the screen. Okay, hold on. Okay, I put the car and back together to let you know more about the size we decide for the cutting. Okay, so this width is set manually on the back. Loosen screw to move it to what you the size you want. Tighten. Okay, so I say to 10 millimeter, 10 centimeter. Okay, this size. Okay, so this the 14, the 45, the 54 is the second number on the screen. You can set it to different size as well, and that 3 millimeter on the screen, number 3, is this gap. This car, this gap is 3 millimeters. Okay. Three millimeters is this gap. And on this position, the small gap is 3 millimeter set on the machine here, the number 3, and this one between the curve on this direction, this gap is 6 millimeter. Okay, 6 millimeter. That need to be done in the software. If you use Photoshop or CorelDRAW or any design software to make the layout for this machine, then you will have to set this gap between the car 6 millimeter. Okay, between the car in horizontal, this is 6 millimeter. Vertical, 3 millimeter set on the machine. 6 millimeter set on the set in the software. So I hope these videos can make you understand. If you still have any further questions, please let me know. Thank you. Okay, here's another video about how to set these 3 parameters. Press the M button. The first option, car parameters. Enter button. So you can see the 3 parameters. Usually we only set the second number, the 54 right here. That's for the car height. Okay. Let's say I change it to 65. Press the C button first to delete the original number, then input 65 or any other size you want to cut, then press the enter button. Okay, then you change. Then you can try a text. Just another reminder, when there is a paper jam, please do not force to drag the paper out. That means when the paper is still outside, you can freely move it forward, backward, but when it insert the machine, then you will see it is very hard to drag back, because you have to press the grab part under the roller, then pull the paper out. Okay, there is a black part here. For picking the paper, you have to press it down. Otherwise, if you force the paper to come out, it might damage that black part. So let me do a text. This is the text button. When there's only one paper or the paper is very sleepy, then you can use this here. Okay. Test again. Yeah, it was 54 and I changed it to 65. Yeah, that's it. That's the car height, okay? And the width is controlled by this spray. Okay, the width is this by this brace, the width, and the height of the car, the 65 at 65 is controlled by this second number. If the paper is already come here and there is a jam, you can just open the cover, use this button, left and right button to move the rollers. See? Yeah, there is two options for removing the paper jam. Okay, I hope this video helpful. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you.